Yeah.
And then steak and set fillet and fried rice.
Yeah.
What do you like your steak and your
Well
fillet?
done. Well done, please.
Well done.
For both of
Good.
us.
Oh, okay. Is anybody birthday today?
Yeah. Were we working today?
Birthday?
Oh no, not
No
birthday.
birthday.
No.
Just hungry. Do you drink sake?
No, I don't do sake. No,
No
we don't.
sake?
No, we don't do sake.
No?
No. Thank you, though. Thank you.
Good. Oh yeah. Ooh,
No.
Are you ready for fire?
Oh yeah. Fire time.
Yes.
Oh, look at
Big,
a little
big
heart.
fire.
Oh,
Yeah.
we fire heart.
Interesting.
Almost fire. Veggie curry.
Those are all going to be yours. I'm not getting any vegetables.
You want to get broccoli?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Open your mouth.
all right. I'll try. I'll try.
1, 2.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it.
One more.
Ah.
Oh.
On a
Okay,
rebound.
one more. Oh.
I'm not very good.
Okay, how about you,
Try.
Mami?
You try. No,
Okay,
show-
one more,
show it,
do
try.
one more.
Oh, almost.
Okay, one more. Let's go.
No. There's a little fire volcano.
Oh, okay.
Volcano coming. Baby oil. Johnson and Johnson.
Oh.
Gasoline.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Alright, the children coming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good friend. Alright, you have to see egg roll coming. Yeah,
Egg roll.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Let's move it. Baby chicken.
Oh, yeah.
One sauce. sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yummy,
There we go.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
It's all right.
So do you live around here?
I live in
Gas City.
Gas City.
Oh,
Near Marion, near
how long
Marion.
from here?
About 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. So you come here only for eat?
Well, shop and eat.
Shopping?
Yeah.
How's your Valentine's Day?
Pretty good.
Very good.
Got my lovely wife here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. More butter, more better.
Yeah, there you go. More butter, more better.
Yeah, more butter, more better.
Oh, very good.
Alright. I make your lunch special, romantic.
Oh.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
There we go. A little heart.
What is it?
Little heart, yeah.
Right. Okay, you sing for your wife.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I love you.
Oh, what?
Baby.
Nice.
Romantic slice. Coca-Cola.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Chicken wings, chicken macaroni.
TK like the song.
Everybody well done.
It's a lot.
It's all yours. Take it home, whatever.
Okay.
Thank you. That is a lot. She's gonna get all the vegetables, so
Okay.
I don't want
You
any.
get fried rice?
Yeah, so I'll get more fried rice.
All fried rice?
No, she can give her a little bit more. That's
Oh
fine.
yeah.
She'll take home whatever.
Oh yeah.
It tastes good.
Alright, I'll put the question.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh.
It's a lot.
Yeah, I'll take some home. That'll be all right.
Ooh, yeah.
you Cute.
Look at all that steak.
Oh Lord I had to pack him
Yeah, that's all right.
So Lord on thank you
Okay, everybody get your own.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much.
Thank you, and be alive.
Can I get more yum yum before you?
Yum, yum, yum.